Welcome to Wright County Chiropractic with Dr. Colus here, your local Buffalo, Minnesota chiropractors. We offer three categories of therapies to relieve your pain, relax your muscle spasms, and increase your mobility. These therapies will help you work pain-free, sleep pain-free, along with all your important activities of daily living. Over the years, our chiropractic doctors at Wright County Chiropractic have helped hundreds of patients recover from pain, and we look forward to helping you. The first set of therapies we apply is to stop your pain and reduce any associated inflammation. And chiropractic physical medicine is a non-surgical gentle treatment that relieves spinal pain by relieving jammed spinal joints, pinched nerves, and disc bulges or disc herniations. Now, our mild low current therapy blocks your pain signal by activating the same receptors in the brain and spinal cord that are targeted by pain relieving drugs, but it is without the side effects. Another therapy we offer relieves your pain by decreasing your inflammation and dampening the activity of inflammatory proteins called cytokines, which cause pain. Yet another therapy relieves your pain by stimulating your inflamed cells' oxygen metabolism, which boosts the healing and analgesic effects. The second set of therapies is applied to reduce your muscle pain and spasms. Manual muscle therapy relieves muscle pain based on your nervous system's gate theory of pain control, which blocks the pain signals from the muscles to the brain. Our reciprocal inhibition muscle therapy applies a nerve reflex on one side of a joint to relieve tight and contracted muscles on the other side of that same joint. Another muscle therapy we use relieves tender trigger points, or small patches of knotted muscle within the belly of tight or spastic muscles. The third set of therapies we use is applied to increase your ability to move fully and with pain-free. Now, the chiropractic physical medicine helps to increase joint mobility, whereby increasing your range of motion and ability to move pain-free. Our active therapies increase your strength and mobility, which decreases the likelihood of you suffering from a permanent injury. The good news is our chiropractors at Wright County Chiropractic use only safe and effective pain relief therapies. All of our therapies are proven to be effective through years of research, experience, and our own patient results. These proven chiropractic therapies focus on relieving your pain, decreasing your muscle pain and spasms, while increasing your ability to move pain-free. So you can get back to working pain-free, sleeping pain-free, getting dressed pain-free, or perform any of your activities of daily living pain-free. Each therapy is specifically applied based on the results of your history, symptoms, and physical examination findings. All of our therapies we use at Wright County Chiropractic are safe and have been cleared by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Our chiropractic physical medicine treatments will relieve your pain, reduce your muscle spasms, and increase your mobility. All of our therapies are proven to be safe, effective, and gentle. In fact, patients often doze off while on our therapies. On your very first visit, our chiropractic doctors would use one or more of the appropriate therapies to relieve your pain as fast as possible. Pain commonly results from a major or minor trauma, such as a car accident injury, sports injury, or repetitive motion. Spinal trauma commonly results in a pinched spinal nerve, a bulging disc, or jamming of the spinal joints. Now, when any of these conditions exist, your body will respond with pain, muscle spasms, and limited mobility. If you have a spinal pinched nerve, you may also feel burning, tingling, or numbness into your arms or legs. We understand how pain can disrupt your life, including limiting your ability to work, sleep, or even get dressed in the morning. The bad news is when physical injuries do not receive physical medicine, they often heal wrong. The leading cause of arthritis is when injuries do not receive physical medicine and heal wrong. Unfortunately, we often see patients who did not receive physical medicine, healed wrong, and now suffer a permanent injury. Chiropractic physical medicine can help you feel better quickly and decrease the likelihood of you suffering a permanent injury. Years of research has documented the effectiveness of chiropractic physical medicine in helping patients relieve their pain and get back to a normal life. The Journal of the American Medical Association released new guidelines that encourages chiropractic before surgery. Physical Medicine Journal documented how chiropractic helps the vast majority of patients with pain and muscle spasms. Our chiropractic doctors are licensed by the state and federal government for the examination, diagnosis, and treatment of patients suffering and in pain. You do not need a referral from a medical provider to see our chiropractors. You can call us directly at 763-565-6000. We accept all insurance, including all major medical insurance, auto insurance, workers' compensation insurance, Medicare, and Medicaid insurance. Just give us a call right now, and our insurance staff will verify your benefits right over the phone. And that number you can call is 763-565-6000. We make it safe and easy for you to try our proven and effective pain relief therapies with our $47 new patient special. Now, the $47 new patient special includes 7 parts. Part 1 is a private consultation with one of our chiropractic doctors. Part 2 is a range of motion exam to find which joints are restricted and painful. Part 3 are nerve tests to determine exactly which nerve is causing your pain. And Part 4 is muscle testing to isolate weak, painful, or spastic muscles. And Part 5 are orthopedic tests to determine which joints may be limiting your mobility. And Part 6 is one chiropractic treatment as appropriate to immediately give you some pain relief. And Part 7 is a bonus bottle of BioFreeze, which is a natural pain relieving gel. Now, the normal cost for the 7-part $47 new patient special is $250. When you pick up the phone and call our office today, the 7-part new patient special is only $47, and that's a savings of over $200. And the reason we offer a $47 new patient special is really to make it easy for you to experience how we can relieve your pain and muscle spasms. We feel confident our chiropractic therapies will help you. All you need to do is call our office right now to find out for yourself. And you can call 763-565-6000. Now, the $47 new patient special does come with a 2-part guarantee. Part 1 is if you are not 100% satisfied with our services within 72 hours of your first visit, you will receive a complete refund. And Part 2 is there's no waiting. You will see one of our chiropractic doctors within 7 minutes of your scheduled appointment. However, the $47 new patient special is limited to the first 10 new patients that call in any month, and this is due to space restrictions. Be sure to call now and claim one of the 10 limited $47 new patient specials. We look forward to meeting you and relieving your pain so you can get back to an active, pain-free life. When you call, be sure to ask our receptionist if we still have available one of the 10 $47 new patient specials. You can see one of our chiropractic doctors right now at Wright County Chiropractic, your local Buffalo, Minnesota chiropractors. Let us help you start living a pain-free life today. Give us a call at 763-565-6000.